Hello everyone, hello my subscribers and returning subscribers. Well, since Saturday, that's 2 days ago, today is Monday, Tonto Dike has been in the news. She has been trending, maybe trending for the good reason. This time, Tonto Dike has found, is it another lover or another husband? That's the current news about Tonto Dike as of today. It all happened on Saturday when she was wishing an invisible man a happy birthday, and with some wonderful words that she used to wish the individual a happy birthday. Not until a man's identity started appearing on social media. First of all, on her Instagram account, mostly, where she always mostly do her postings. So she first sent a happy birthday wish to an invisible man. Say, happy birthday to you, my baby. You've shown me the love. That love is best presented as true as they come. You put a spring in my steps. Falling in love with you is like the widest roller coaster ride. Because of you, I've gotten to appreciate the finer things in life. Thank you for making me a better woman. I pray that the kisses I blow transform into thousands of wishes, come true, and into fulfilled dreams and aspirations. Thank you for bringing immense joy and happiness to me as a woman. My biggest kiss and tightest hugs are reserved for you today. Thank you for changing me to the woman I am today. God bless you. I love you so much, my word. Have a blessed day, my Oga. At the top, this is from Tonto Dike wishing a happy birthday wish to her newfound husband or lover. And also another who also wish, she said, happy birthday to the love of my life. I hope you get everything your heart desires, because that's exactly what you've given me. You are twice as sweet as any cake. You make every day feel like my birthday, except I don't need to blow out any candle because my wish already came true. Your smile is cause for celebration. Your love is the most precious gift in the world. Your kisses could light 1,000 birthday candles. I wanted to give you all my love for your birthday, but there's no boss big enough to hold it. Besides, it's already yours. Happy birthday to a man who makes life itself feel like a special occasion. So this is a birthday wish that came from Tonto Dike. And not just that, another one. He had a lot of wishes, that she compiled for her new husband. Happy birthday to the man that rocks my world. Very little token to say we love you. You are the best husband, best lover, best daddy I could ever ask for. So this is where she clearly made it known to the public that she's found a new lover. And in this video, you could also see actually her kissing. You can see her kissing the man. In this video, meaning that she has found a new lover. That is, she's got a new husband after her marriage crash with Olakunle Churchill. And many people claim that Tonto Dike is pregnant. Like, as you can see, some people were able to, womb watchers, or those who are talented or gifted in observing celebrities' state of health and marital status. So many people are claiming that there's a baby bump and Tonto Dike could be pregnant, and that might be true. Maybe she's pregnant. If she is, congratulations to her, and we are wishing her a safe delivery when the baby is too. But then some desperate fan or relationship expert came up to spoil the whole thing, to spoil the show, or to maybe trying to spoil the happy mood of the veteran actress, a lady who is known on IG Instagram as Sade Ladipo. Said, I really like Tonto, but ladies and gents, this constant seeking of validation online means that truly you haven't learned from your previous relationship mishaps. I understand you are expressive and wear your heart on your sleeve, but for God's sake, keep your relationship away from social media. You are just food and we are carnivores. All we want is entertainment. The minute you find true and real happiness, you become less concerned about showing others how happy or rich you are. You are entertainment. Your life is entertainment. Well, the relationship expert probably may have thought that she has given a good advice to Tonto Dike, but of course the advice didn't go down well, as the happy actress who may have found a good husband to her, another lover, didn't allow that to settle for quite a long time on social media. She quickly replied to the relationship expert Sade Ladipo, who feels that Tonto Dike shouldn't have been showing off her new husband online, because in the video you could see Tonto Dike kissing his new lover, and many people have been wondering who the new lover really is. The new lover is known as Bogri, who is a politician, but of course his Instagram IG is on private. You may not know much about him. So this is what Tonto Dike replied the relationship expert, who was advising her not to show off her relationship because she's in the entertainment industry and all about her is entertainment, and many people probably might be criticizing her or making a joke of her newfound lover. So she replied, Dike replied, Sade Ladipo said, motivational speaker, madam, go and sit down somewhere. Madam long mouth, like you need to speak on every matter. Who the hell putting shit in your face? Look at a grown woman trying to tell a grown woman how to live her life. Girl, take several seats back. This ain't your show. Your opinion is not needed now. Rest, clowntinos. If you like me so much, close your mouth and pray for me. So, what Tonto Dike is demanding from the claimed lover, who believe that social media fans and every random social media user is a carnivore who would prey on celebrities' status or updates. So she wouldn't want the actress to do so by posting. As you can see, the video of course pictures are all over social media. In this picture of Tonto Dike passionately kissing her new lover, she wrote, in his time he makes all things beautiful, God's own, my very own baby girl, love you scatter, Mr. and Mrs. my own people. So sorry, this is rather an update or a post by her new lover. So he wrote, in his time he makes all things beautiful, God's own, my very own baby girl, which referring to Tonto Dike, love you scatter, Mr. and Mrs. my own people. So Sade Ladipo wouldn't love to see these pictures, but it doesn't really matter, since Tonto Dike would love to have those pictures on social media, and probably her new husband would love to see these pictures on social media. So the relationship expert Sade Ladipo could just go and take a long seat, just as she's advised by Tonto Dike, back long seat and sit down. So what do you guys think? Do you think that Tonto Dike is pregnant, or do you want to go by the advice given to her by Sade Ladipo that she shouldn't be uploading her marital status online? Like we could see, if you could see, observe from the video, you could see that she's probably pregnant with a baby bump. I don't know whether it's a baby bump or not. If she is, well, congratulations to her. Recalling what happened to her and her previous marriage with Olakunle Churchill, and how she claimed that Rose Mira snatched Olakunle Churchill from her, was responsible for her crash marriage. And few months ago, Rose Mira came up with her own baby, how that she's had a baby with Tonto Dike's former husband, Olakunle Churchill. So do you actually think that it's the right thing now at this moment for Tonto Dike to be uploading her marriage status, husband status online? Thank you.